Hello students, in this video we are going to solve square root of 3 plus x plus square root of 3 minus x and divide by square root of 3 plus x minus square root of 3 minus x. This is equals to 2. Here we will find out the value of x and x belongs to real number. Now we will apply my favorite method, substitution. If we substitute square root of 3 plus x, this is equals to a, and square root of 3 minus x, this is equals to b. In left hand side we have square root, so we can say a is greater than 0 and here b is greater than 0. Now if we take square both side, then in left hand side square root of 3 plus x, this is equals to a, and here if we take square and here if we take square, then square root is cancelled out by this square, then 3 plus x, this is equals to a square. Let us consider this is equation number first. Now here if we take square both side, then in left hand side is square root of 3 minus x, this is equals to b, and here in left hand side if we take square and here if we take square root is cancelled out by this square, then 3 minus x, this is equals to b square. Let us consider this is equation number second. Now equation number first is a square, this is equals to 3 plus x, and equation number second is b square, this is equals to 3 minus x. If we add both the equations, then in left hand side we have a square plus b square, this is equals to, here plus x and minus x is cancelled out, this is equals to 6. So we have a square plus b square, this is equals to 6. Now we know that this expression is a and this expression is b, so the given expression is a plus b over a minus b, this is equals to 2. Now if we multiplied both side a minus b, then here a minus b and here a minus b, this a minus b and this a minus b is cancelled out, then in numerator we have a plus b, this is equals to, this 2 is multiplied by inside the bracket, then 2 times a minus 2 times b. Now if we take all the expression in same side, then 2 times a minus 2 times b minus a minus b, this is equals to 0. Now if we subtract like terms, then 2 times a minus a is a and minus 2 times b minus b, that is minus 3b, and this is equals to 0. Now if we add both side 3b, then in left hand side a is equals to 3 times b. Now we have a is equals to 3 times b. This a is replaced by 3 times b. Then in left hand side a square plus b square, this is equals to 6, and we know that value of a is 3 times b, so this a is replaced by 3 times b bracket power 2 plus b square, this is equals to 6. Now 3 times b square is 9 times b square plus b square, this is equals to 6. 9 times b square plus b square is 10 times b square, this is equals to 6 if we divide both side 10. Then in left hand side here 10 and here 10, then this 10 and this 10 is cancelled out, then b square is equals to 6 over 10. Here b square is equals to 6 over 10, and we know that value of b square is 3 minus x. Look carefully, value of b square is 3 minus x, so this b square is replaced by 3 minus x, then here 3 minus x, this is equals to 6 over 10. Now 3 minus 6 over 10, this is equals to x, then this 3 is same as 30 over 10 minus 6 over 10, this is equals to x. In left hand side we have like fraction, so here common denominator is 10 and difference between the numerator, that is 30 minus 6, this is equals to x. So here x is equals to 30 minus 6 is 24 over 10. Now if we divide numerator and denominator by 2, then in numerator we have 12 and in denominator we have 5. So value of x is 12 over 5. This is our final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.